my name is Amy from Korean Things. Hi, I'm Sam. Today we will learn one Korean word, 혼자. 혼자 means being alone or staying alone. In this tutorial, we will build some sentences using 혼자, and also we will introduce some abbreviations using 혼자, which are widely used among teenagers. The position of 혼자 is quite flexible, so it can go to the very front of a sentence, or stay in the middle of the sentence, or it can go to the very end of a sentence. No matter where it is, many Koreans would understand what it means, but today we will only use 혼자 right after a subject, which is the easiest and the most common way of placing it. Then let's use different verbs and 혼자 in order to make sentences. And these are the verbs we are going to use today. Watch is 보다, eat is 먹다, drink is 마시다, live is 살다, clean is 청소하다, study is 공부하다, travel is 여행하다, walk is 걷다, cook is 요리하다. Then let's make the past tense sentences using these kinds of verbs and 혼자. For example, I ate alone is 나는 혼자 밥 먹었어. This is a grammatically correct sentence, but in order to speak more casually, we are going to drop the subjective particle 는 and just say 나 혼자 밥 먹었어. I eat alone is 나 혼자 밥 먹었어. I watch a movie alone. 나 혼자 영화 봤어. I drank alone. 나 혼자 술 마셨어. I studied alone. 나 혼자 공부했어. I traveled alone. 나 혼자 여행했어. I worked alone. 나 혼자 일했어. I cleaned alone. 나 혼자 청소했어. I walked alone. 나 혼자 걸었어. I cooked alone. 나 혼자 요리했어. Sometimes you may come across the similar expression 혼자서. As you see, there is one more particle 서 right after 혼자. As I explained earlier, 혼자 means being alone or doing something alone. 혼자서 also means the same as 혼자, but it also means doing something without someone's help.
야, 너 집들이에서 음식 많이 했더라.
그치? 내가 며칠 전부터 혼자서 다 한 거야.
혼자서? 날 부르지. 내가 도와줄 텐데.
내가 며칠 전부터 혼자서 다 한 거야.
혼자서?
내가 며칠 전부터 혼자서 다 한 거야.
혼자서?
내가 며칠 전부터 혼자서 다 한 거야.
혼자서? 야, 저 옆에 있던 책상 어디 있어?
아, 내가 그거 2층으로 옮겼어.
혼자서?
나 혼자서.
그거 엄청 무거웠을 텐데 그걸 혼자서 옮겼다고? 그거 혼자서 옮길 수가 없는데. 그거 혼자서 옮길 수가 없는데. 그거 혼자서 옮길 수가 없는데. 그거 혼자서 옮길 수가 없는데.
These days, many Korean teenagers love to use abbreviations as slang terms. And there are some abbreviated expressions using 혼자. For example, I ate alone is
나 혼자 밥 먹었어.
Here, we can combine 혼 of 혼자 and the noun 밥, meal together, and it turns into 혼밥. If you want to use it as a verb, then you can attach 하다 verb right after 혼밥. So, 나 혼자 밥 먹었어 turns into
나 혼밥했어. 나 혼밥했어. 나 혼밥했어.
Let's study one more example. For example, I studied alone is
나 혼자 공부했어.
Here we can also combine 혼 of 혼자 and the noun 공부, study together and create it 혼공. Therefore, 나 혼자 공부했어 is the same as
나 혼공했어. 나 혼공했어. 나 혼공했어.
Let me give you a quiz. How would this sentence be shortened?
나 혼공했어. 나 혼공했어. 나 혼영했어. 나 혼영했어. 나 혼행했어. 나 혼행했어. 나 혼술했어. 나 혼술했어.
쌤,
응.
나 어제 혼공했다.
어, 그래?
응.
나 어제 쇼핑몰에서 너 봤는데?
아, 나 혼공하다가 너무 힘들어서 혼영하러 갔어.
아, 그랬어?
응.
난 어제 비가 와서 혼술했지. 난 어제 비가 와서 혼술했지. 난 어제 비가 와서 혼술했지.